Hey campers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Odoland cooking kit set. This is a very nice set, but before we get on, we're going to start doing a schedule of every other week. So we're going to be reviewing a product or doing something every other week. So let's get started. We have this, it comes in this mesh bag, very nice. I like it. Keeps everything together, which I like. We'll link in the description to go on Amazon and buy this. I really like this product. It's very nice. So let's get started. It comes with 2 pots, 2 pans, as you can see. And it comes with 2 cups. So this package basically comes with 2 cups, 2 pots, and the pots are this big. The bigger pot holds 1,000 milliliters. So 1,000 milliliters for this. This holds 800 milliliters for the top. And we have, these are what they call the pans, which don't really look like pans, but it is. As you can see, they all have this nice grip. You can see it has a very nice grip. That's on all of the pots and pans. And then the other pot, or pan actually, this is the pan, is just a slight bigger size than this. So we have these. And then the cups, pretty decent, very nice. And then these, if you open these up, they are your silverware. There's 2 packages. Each one comes with a knife, pretty nice knife, a spoon, and a fork, which is also very nice, like these, and 2 cleaning cloths. I usually, when I put this back, I put this inside the pot and then one inside the pan so they don't scratch each other. And the special thing that this comes with is a lightweight camping stove. Lightweight camping stove. This is very good. I really like this because you can take it on hiking trips. It is pretty lightweight. All you do is you twist this, then you flip these outwards, just quickly, so like this, and then you put it down and pretend this is making something. You would put your pan on. It would go on like this, and you would be making your food. So it's pretty sturdy. Really like it. And yeah, that's it, campers, for this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time, campers.